Hello. This is the our front yard. Quest telephone company found some kind of cables that were cut or something, so they had to come in and dig a big hole in our yard. And there's so that's what it looks like when your cable or your telephone goes out. They would come in and dig a great big 4 or 5 foot deep hole. Then they gotta dig the grass up and everything else. So, from our dug up front yard here, with all the Christmas trimmings and the dug up yard.